Hey, what's up everyone? So let me ask you something. When was the last time you enjoyed making a presentation? Yeah, exactly. Never. The answer is never. Because here is what happens. You got this crazy killer idea, right? You are excited, you are motivated, and you are ready to share it with the world. And then you open PowerPoint and you have an existential crisis whether to use the Helvetica or the Roboto font. And then is the design part. You are out here moving shapes pixel by pixel to center them like you are diffusing a bomb. It's 2026, guys. We have AI to generate code, to generate art, and now it can generate PowerPoint presentations. So why are we still dragging around text boxes like we are cavemen? That's literally the exact problem Gamma set out to solve. And they are actually sponsoring today's video, so thanks to them for that. Gamma is this AI-powered presentation tool that does this hard work for you. And I'm not talking about some basic template library solution. I mean, it actually creates your presentations from scratch based on your prompts. You give Gamma a prompt, an outline, or just say, hey, I need a pitch to my investors to sell an app. And Gamma is like, say less fam. And he starts creating the presentation from the ground up. And the best part, these aren't your grandpa PowerPoint slides. We're talking web-based, interactive, and mobile responsive PowerPoint presentations. You can add animations, videos, or even ask AI to do that for you. So Gamma basically removes that friction between your brain and your presentations. No more formatting nightmares, no more design paralysis, no more questioning your life at 11 p.m. because you don't know what font to choose. You just focus on the message and Gamma focus on the rest. It's honestly wild how much this thing can save you. Alright, enough talking and let me show you how this tool works. So we are on the Gamma website and we have 4 options from which we can choose. The first one is generate, and we can prompt the AI and he will create a presentation for us. The second one is pasting text, and we can create presentation from notes or giving an outline or some existing content. The third option is the import file or URL, and we can enhance existing docs or presentations or even web pages. Then the last one is generate from template, and basically we can give a template and we can remix it like we have a template for mobile app development, but we want to also use that template for design. We also have this studio mode, and basically this will create images with text, and we'll try it later. So let's start with the first one, which is generate. So we have 4 options here. So we can create a presentation, we can create a website, we can create a document, and a social post. So let's start with the presentation. And as you can see here, we can select the amount of cards we want. I want 5 cards. We can change the card design mode to studio. As I said, from the studio mode, every single card is a single image with embedded text. We can also change the aspect ratio. As you can see, we have traditional, tall. I want traditional, and we can translate the presentation in any language we want, but I will keep it in English so you can understand what it says. Now let's make a presentation like mentioning why the native app development is better than cross-platform development. Let's see what outlines we generate. Okay, so it finished generating the outline. So if we are not satisfied with this, we can remix this like regenerate outline, but we can also do some manual touches for it. Like I don't want to say Objective-C, for example. Let's remove this and Java. Okay. And we can also add more cards, and we can select the amount of text per card. Let's say that we want detailed. The visuals, we can change the theme. So let's pick a theme, and we have a lot of themes here, so you can pick whatever you like. Let's go with this one because it looks really cool. We can change the AI image model, or we can let it on auto select, but I will go with Nano Banana Pro. We can also change the image art style because it will generate the images with AI, and we can change that style. So let's go with something abstract. And for extra keywords, I don't have any ideas, so I will just click generate. Okay, so it already looks really cool, and I like that you can see how it's generating the presentation in front of your face. Okay, so the presentation is ready, so let's try to present it. So let's full screen. Okay, so the first page looks nice. Let's see what he did here. Native apps deliver superior performance and responsiveness. I like the footer of this page. I like this image. It looks really cool. Okay, it looks really nice. And if you want to add some extra things, you can always go here. Like you want to add some text or a table. You can add images. You can even create more layouts, diagrams, chart and graphs. You can add videos from different platforms. You can even add buttons to Calendly or other platforms you like. If you get bored of this theme, you can always go up here and click on edit theme, and you can pick another one. So let's say that this one. Okay, so the previous one was better, so I'll get back to that. So Sanguine, it's much better for this presentation. Now let's try to create something from notes. So let's click on pasting text, and now I want to create a social post to show you how it works. So I'll paste some text that I have from my LinkedIn page. So let's modify this with 2026, and let's generate from notes and continue to prompt editor. And again, we can play with this, so we can say that we want detailed, extensive amount of text. I want a detailed one. And this prompt is really good. I haven't wrote it, the AI wrote it down. Clear, practical, forward looking. I like that. And let's change this theme with something different. Let's say something professional. Let's see. Yeah, let's go with this one. And for the image art style, I want some line art. And let's make this in 5 cards, because we don't want a big social post. We want something that's pretty small. So let's hit generate. Okay, it also animate this. Let's go down. Core technologies you must master. Looks good. Handling data like a pro. I don't like the background, but it's because of the image model. But overall, these are good. It was unnecessary, the background with this image, because it's hard to read over it. I mean, it almost has the same color as the text. If you want to delete it, you can simply tap on it and ask the AI to remove the image. But overall, after removing these images, I think it's ready to post on your LinkedIn account or X. Now let's go with this one, import file or URL. Okay, so let's click on import from URL and let's paste in this article. Okay, so we extracted the title successfully, and let's see that we want to create a document. So let's continue. The text is extracted successfully, and that's pretty interesting. Let's change the theme again. So let's go with these blues. Let's go with the abstract again, and let's say that we want luxurious and professional. And for the AI image model, let's use the Nano Banana Pro. Make this from 3 cards, and let's hit generate. Okay, so now let's click on present. It looks pretty promising from this first slide, not gonna lie. Let's go down to see what. Okay, what is ahead? Oh, this is scrollable. Oh, okay, yeah. I forgot that it's a document, yeah. I was wondering why it's scrollable. Looks pretty nice, and I like that it extracted the images from their website. App Accent Pro approach, future-proofing organizations. It would have been very nice if he would play with the logo colors to match the background, like the accent will be white. It's pretty nice, not gonna lie. Now let's click on this one and let's remix this. So or save copy as template. Let's first of all save copy as template to show you that you can go in here, generate from template, and click on this one. This can allow us to remix this template, like to give a new purpose to it. And as you can see, it's for native app development, and why it's outperforming the cross-platform development. And we can change this to, for example, design. So why design is very important. And now we can simply click on generate and wait for the magic to happen. And now let's go to this studio mode. We can create a presentation or a social post with this one. So let's say with just vibes, and let's make it 3 cards, and let's select one of these example prompts. So let's go with these application tips for the college. So generate outline. All right, let's pick a simple theme, the Indigo one, and Let's generate. Okay, so we created the presentation. So as you noticed, it's only made from images. So college application tips. We have this guy that is stressed out and one that is learning in a organized way, and then he takes notes and he's very good at studying. I think one cool feature that I have to show you, and this is the last one, is that we can create web pages from Gamma. And yeah, this is very cool. So let's say that we want a landing page. So landing page for a software development company, and let's generate outline. Okay, so outline is generated, and we can go with some minimal text, and let's change this theme. So let's see if we can find something cool. This one looks promising, so select this theme, select the Nano Banana Pro, let's put an abstract, so let's hit generate. Okay, so the page generated, and as you can see, it looks pretty interesting. So we can click on publish if you want. We can also add a custom domain to it, and you can also preview the current page. So let's hit on this one, let's scroll a little, and as you can see, it's animated already. So we can scroll. Client success stories, award-winning excellence. I mean, these are kind of chopped, but you can edit them with some small tweaks like changing these images and make these buttons really work because they don't do anything at this moment. You can create a cool looking page in a couple of minutes. Imagine that you can create a cool looking page in Gamma and someone would pay good money for it. So this is pretty interesting. So that was the video, and I hope that you found this tool helpful, and let me know in the comments what opinion do you have about it. And until the next video, make sure to eat your veggies and see you in the next one.